Wuhan Sinojoinsun Technology and Trade Company Limited is the subsidiary of Wuhan Keyihua Science and Technology Company Limited, located in Wuhan, Hubei, China, and mainly in charge for the overseas business. Our factory is located in Zhibi, Hubei. We have been dedicated in food and medicine printing since 2006. The main products are edible ink, edible paper, edible marker, coffee printer, desktop food printer, high-speed industrial food printer, and so on. The edible ink meets Kosher and Halal, and the factory has passed ISO 22000 Quality Management System certification. It can be printed onto candy, chocolate bean, cake, pastry, fruit, coffee, empty capsule, and tablet surface directly as the edible decoration or logo brand. It's safe and healthy. We have served customers from Asia, Europe, North America, South America, and the Middle East. With a professional R&D team, advanced production equipment, and strict quality control, our products and service have won the favor and high reputation from customers worldwide. They are happy to establish the long-term cooperative relationship with us. We here committed to bringing more and better food printing products for the customers and being the most reliable supplier and partner from China. We are one of the gold suppliers for the food printing area on Alibaba. Our vision is bring unlimited possibilities for food decoration. Warmly welcome customers to visit us.